Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on the Garmin Quatix 7. First, open the menu by pressing the up menu button, then scroll and look for connectivity. Tap on it, find Wi-Fi and make sure it's enabled. Scroll down to My Networks and tap on it. Here you'll see Saved Networks. To add a new one, tap Add Network and the watch will search for nearby networks. Select your network and enter the password. You can type it on the watch or, if paired with a phone, enter it there for convenience. Tap Done and the watch will connect. Once connection is successful, you're connected. You can add multiple networks. The watch will automatically connect to the strongest one when in range, as long as Wi-Fi is enabled. Press the back button to return to the watch face. That's how you connect to Wi-Fi on this watch. If this video helped, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.